Spirit boosters, what y'all doing? Hello, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the community. Y'all been gone too long since that last video. And welcome any and all new Spirit boosters. You're a Spirit booster because I know you have subscribed by now. You're liking the videos. You're sharing comments. You're not shy. You're coming out in the open and exposing yourself and letting us know who you are. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Now, all you need to do now is start sharing those goings-ons and what's happening in your area. Help out the community. Share some community resources, food recalls, supply chain issues, food rationings, etc., are just your day. What are you doing for the holidays? Have you decorated? Have you made any cookies? What are you baking for the holidays? It's up to you. Or just simply say, hello. Well, anyway, as promised, I said I was going to show you guys my chili making pot of chili. So these are some of the ingredients that I will use. Some of them I'll use, some of them I might use a pinch of this, a dab of that, because some of these seasons are very, very tasty. Now, smoked paprika and sorry for the interruption, Spirit boosters. Okay, I think I was telling you guys about smoked paprika. Well, anyway, I used some smoked paprika and the mustard powder, or the one in a jar. And I like cumin. Some people don't like it. And I used some chili. I got an open pack of McCormick original chili seasoning mix. I got some taco seasoning mix. I got that consomme. You see that beef Campbell consomme? I got the Hunt's tomato sauce. I'm only using very little of that. I'm not making spaghetti sauce. I'm making chili. And y'all see we got some Jiffy corn mix up here. That's not going in the chili, but we having that with the cornbread. We having that with the chili. Some cornbread and a little rice on the side. So I have some delicious, right now it smells so good. I love green onions, celery, and sweet white onions. Sweet onion, ooh, so good. I love those sweet onions. Those sweet gold onions. Sweet onions are delicious. And y'all see the chili lime seasoning, the garlic powder. Y'all see that chicken pilote. I'm using, like I said, a dash of this, a pinch of that. But anyway, you see the Sunvista pinto beans back there. And I also shared that I love the celery. So celery, what is that? Celery bell pepper, that's what it is. I'm going to start cooking the meat with the vegetables, onion, celery, green onion, and the celery, green onion, bell pepper, and onion with the meat. Then I will drain it because I don't want all that oil, all that stuff. I'm going to drain all that oil out of the meat, and then I will add the seasonings. And I'm going to come back while I'm going to show y'all what it looked like in the pot, and probably had the cornbread ready with the rice. I'm going to come back with the finished results. So as far as now, right now, I'm just sharing the prepped stuff, the prepped foods that I'm going to be using in the chili. So if y'all use any of these ingredients, say so in the comment section. But these are some of the things that I use in the chili, because I want it to taste authentically chili con carne. Y'all got chili con carne is really, really good, huh? Yeah. But anyway, y'all like chili con carne? A little different from chili, but I guess it's all, I don't know. It's a Mexican dish. But I don't think chili beans is a Mexican. Y'all think chili beans is a Mexican dish? I don't know. They got chili con carne. Well, anyway, this is what I got to share with y'all. This is what I'm doing. And also, while I'm let me mention, I did share in the previous video, I was telling y'all about the Mariah Carey McDonald's menu food that she giving away. Did any of you guys try that app out and got any of that McDonald's food? Say so in the comments. What did you get? You got any of them Big Macs, fries, whatever she eat? She said that she liked to eat from McDonald's. And also, you seen that I shared in the community resources. Hey Lori, shout out to Lori for sharing that county Department of Aging, 55 plus. You could get some a lot of services through that organization. Yes. So check out the description box, because that's where I'll be putting any and some shared community resources and stuff that I might have forgotten to mention, like if it be about food recalls and food rations, like for instance, I'm going to share a grocery haul, I guess, coming up, a weekly grocery haul or something that I had that I haven't shared with you guys yet. But anyway, my husband, when he went to the store, he said that in Food for Less they had boxes all over through the aisles. You can't even get through because so many boxes. So like I say, they must have a private resource bringing them their supplies. But it must get pretty dang scarce up in there for them to have so many boxes. They have to stack those shelves thoroughly, because folks are doing their stock up hauls, survival mode. This is survival mode action activities, because Food for Less is constantly bringing in more supplies and restocking those shelves. Thank you. But anyway, have you guys, like, also don't forget to share your goings-ons and your what's happenings in the comments section. And new Spirit Boosters, if you're not shy, say hello if you don't want to share any of your goings-ons and what's happenings as of yet. But remember, in this community, it's all about sharing. And you know, if you want to visit any other Spirit Boosters and say hello in their comments, don't hesitate to do so. All is welcome. I'm sure they won't mind you coming on and saying something on their comment. And if they don't say nothing, don't get offended or get all humped thinking that they're ignoring you. Maybe they got just a little shy. Maybe. But anyway, I'm going to let y'all go for now, and I will return when I have the chili going. And it's all ready and finished, because I'm going to have the corn muffins or cornbread, a pan of cornbread and some rice on the stove also when I'm back. I did say I had this ground beef because my husband, it's a bunch of meat right here because he loves his meals meaty. So I have to use a lot of meat in a lot of these meals. That's why you're seeing so much of the beef in the beef pot pie. It was very good. Believe me, it was so delicious. I love the beef pot pie I made and the chicken pot pie I made. And next, eventually, I guess I'm going to make a turkey pot pie and probably a vegetable one too, because I ain't got no problem eating just vegetables in a pot pie. But anyway, let me go on and get started so I can get back. So I'll be back in a minute, Spirit Booster Birds. Spirit Booster Birds. Did you hear? Did my lips go there with Spirit Booster Birds? Hey, that's. Let me get out of here. Hey, y'all remember this instrument to crush up the ground beef? Yeah. I don't know how well y'all can see, but I got the meat. I'm cooking it. I got all the veggies in there. Cook it down, then I'm going to drain it, and then start adding my seasonings. Hang in there. Okay, y'all, I drained the meat. This is what I'm doing in this step. I'm about to put this together now. Okay, Spirit Boosters, just my little chili juice. I'm letting it simmer, waiting on my cornbread. I got my rice going. So I'll be back with the finished product. Hang in there. Okay, Spirit Boosters, the dinner is ready. I just like to cook my chili till the beans are butter bean soft, savory gravy, savory gravy, delicious chili flavor with all those spices, herbs, seasonings, veggies, meat, and pinto beans for today. You can cook it with any bean you prefer, but today we have pinto beans. And also we have some white rice, long grain white rice, and a pan of cornbread. And this is today's dinner: cornbread, rice, and chili on a nice rainy day. So this completes the cooking share video for you spirit boosters who were interested in this video. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and I hope you enjoy watching it. Hope the food looks tasty. With this light I'm sharing it, with this light that I'm using to make this video. Hopefully you guys can see what I see. Let me beef it up a little bit. Stir it around there. That gravy is juicy. It's meaty. Lots of beans, lots of meat, just the way the husband likes it. Hopefully. But anyway, I'm going to get off here. Don't forget to share your goings-ons, your what's happenings, and leave your comments in the comment section. Don't forget to read the description box, because I share goings-ons and what's happenings in the description box. Don't forget to read my comment, the host, me, the comment I leave in the comment section also, so that you guys can know what I'm doing, what I share, my goings-ons and my what's happenings. Okay, that's it. I'm about to eat. Hope you guys enjoy your meal or meals. And this is straight out of the pantry. That's what I'm gonna start calling these meals, straight out of the pantry. Okay, tips: just have a great meal, and remember to be careful if you go out shopping. Be careful of your surroundings, and just leave a comment, say hello. All right, spirit boosters, talk to you guys in the next video.